p.m. for southwestern Dakota, northeastern Lee Sueur, southeastern Scott and northern Rice counties. At 9:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Northfield, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 685 in Norwood, Young, America, serving much of central Minnesota. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.4 until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Nicollet and Sibley. A severe The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County, southeastern Scott County, Rice County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lonsdale, or 9 miles northwest of Faribault, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals out.